The RJRGleaner Communications Group says it has identified a cybersecurity incident that occurred last Friday, May 1, 2026, affecting certain information technology systems within its network. Now, upon identifying the incident, the company said it immediately activated its incident response protocols and took precautionary steps, including taking certain systems offline to secure its network. In a statement, RJRGleaner said it has engaged a leading international cybersecurity experts to support its investigation and remediation efforts and has implemented its established business continuity plans to maintain operations. The group noted that its broadcast and publishing operations continue, with television, radio, and digital platforms remaining active as restoration efforts progress. The company said it has notified the relevant authorities and will continue to comply with all applicable legal and regulatory obligations. The investigation remains ongoing and the company is currently assessing the scope and potential impact of the incident.